Alright, so, got me a bigger one. They're getting bigger, Ruben. They were smaller, but now they're bigger. That one's even bigger than the other one. Yeehaw! Also found me a bit of katsuo, bonito fish. This is made to be sliced up for sashimi. You know, just slice it up and eat little bits of it raw. But I like to eat it just like that. See that? Chunky. Yummy. That stuff's good. You guys are just looking at the fucking computer while I'm eating fucking sashimi. Alright, let's get back to it. Paper towels. Not only for lonely nights, but for wiping your hand after a lonely night. And after you eat fucking sashimi. Love that stuff. Alright, so we're going to burn the image. So we got to download. Remember, we downloaded the thing to the videos folder. So, yeah, I see. Oh, shit, I got to put in a CD. Hopefully you guys know what a CD is. This is a CD. CDR. It's writable. Not rewritable, but anyway. And then you want to stick one of those in there. Come on. There you go. It's going to start recognizing this as a device not ready. In the process of being ready, okay, it's getting ready. And then you're going to click it, and then this next bit I'm going to fast forward because I've already done it. So you say, okay, yeah, oh, we need to select the file. So we go to videos, and see that thing right there? Boom! That's the file that we downloaded, the Ubuntu ISO file. Remember we downloaded that? Remember that? Remember a long time ago, like 2 minutes ago when we were downloaded? Yeah, I remember that. Well, that's what we're going to do. Let's hit there and click the button. Open! Alright, so now it's ready, and it's in the thingy. It's all jigging and thingied up, and it's verifying, and all the good stuff. And I click that button, and it goes! There it goes. It's starting to burn the image onto the thing. Alright, so at the end of this process, where are my fingers? It's going to go bing 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 bing. It's going to make a little jingle sound, and it's like, yay, I'm fucking done. Alright, so I don't even know why I'm burning another fucking I guess I'm going to give it to somebody. Now, I've got a fucking shitload of these things. I got fucking CDs out for fucking Ubuntu shit and push. So, here's my CD already burnt up and made and done and juicified up. Alright, here it goes. Yay! I was successful. Alright, so we got the shit on the fucking DVD, on the CD-ROM. Alright, so now let's install it on the little small shuttle PC. Alright, so I turned on the power to this. That's the video card right there. This next, I'm going to hit delete here to enter the setup. So this is the BIOS, right? And I'm going to need to boot to CD-ROM. So when you get whatever you have to enter the BIOS. That's like when you get a screen that says something that says like hit delete to enter BIOS. You need to do that. Then you need to go look around the shit you have on your computer, and it's recognizing. And today, of course, is October 10th. That's not set correctly. It's 12:30, not 3:37. Anyway, that's a fucked up time. But It's got the CD-ROM drive, DVD-ROM drive, and two hard drives. You got the IDE channel, you know, those are the two hard drives. Right there, those two hard drives. Drive 1, drive 2. Okay? Alright, and... well, you can see that. You need advanced BIOS featured or whatever your thing says. Basically, you want to find the thing that says first boot device. Now, I've got it here set to CD-ROM drive because I've been fiddling with it. You can set it to whatever you want to boot first. If yours is set to hard disk, then you want to change it to CD-ROM. So you're going to hit enter and change the thing. So you need to have it set to CD-ROM because we just copied the, you know, the image file onto our little CD there, and now we need to, you know, insert it with the power on. You'll be able to open up your CD-ROM, the CD player, whatever you want to call it, the CD thing, and you're going to insert the disc and close it. There we go. You can close it. Boink. Okay, there it goes. And so now when we restart, we got the CD in there, and we're going to hit save F10. It's going to save, yes, I want to save that. So now it's going to restart, and it's going to boot to the CD-ROM, which is important. There's a video card information. And at this point, you would hit delete, whatever, and then it would set you into BIOS. This one says boot to CD, boot from CD, yes, and it starts booting from the CD, which is good. And this is going to, there, it's operating. So now, it's going to take you to the, this is going to take a while. It's like in Windows, you know, it's copying files and stuff like that. So it's going to take you to the option install or try. So we're going to install it, and we're going to delete everything, and just because I'm making this video for you, I'm going to reinstall the whole fucking thing all over again. It's already on there. I'm going to reformat the hard drives and then reinstall everything. There's nothing really that I wanted to keep on the system, so I'm just going to do it all from scratch again. For the 4th time, I think. But, you know, that's the fun of making videos, and that's the fun of learning. You know, you learn from repetition and doing stuff like that. So, Transformers are cool. Gundams are so-so. Beer drinking pink bunnies. You can't go wrong with beer drinking pink bunnies. They're like, yeah, baby. Optimus Prime, Starscream back there. What's a Starscream? What's a Transformer? There's Wheeljack right there. That's a Binaltech. Probably should take better care of that Binaltech, but there's another Binaltech up there. It's Mirage. He's dead. That's that toy right there. That one right there. That little clear one. Where's my finger? That one right there. That's worth about, I don't know, about $200. E-hobby exclusive. That one right there. Don't know how much the Wheeljack's going for, but there's some hard drives that are broken. That are useless, but... oh, look, we got this screen. Alright. A nice, entertaining look around my thing. Finish up all that sashimi. Bear Grill style. Just eat it raw. Just bite into it. Yum, yum. Alright, so... hopefully soon, it's going to give me the option to install or try. And it's going to give me all the languages, which... you know, I'm going to use English because that's the one I want. So you can choose whatever language. Espanol, Esperanto, Francés. We're going English. And we're going to install here, so let's install. Right. It's going to take us to the next page. Install. I just clicked, see my little thing? It says right there, install. And it's connected to the internet. I connected the internet. If you don't connect it, it's going to have a little X on there that shows. Let's see if I can unconnect it. Okay, it's unconnected. Will it X out? Oh, shit. I'm in a... yeah, okay, there it goes. You can see. Oh, no, shit. And then connect it back up. Ah, where the fuck is it? Alright, there we go. Okay, there it went back to. We're going to download, yes, everything, all that good stuff. We're going to accept it all. I'm going to go to forward. And now it's going to give us an option of where to, what we're going to do next. So we click the forward button down here, which is different. It doesn't say next, it says forward, which makes it completely different from Windows. I don't know if those are like too much similarity. So, because I've already got Ubuntu installed on this system, it gives me an option. If it had Windows installed, it would give me, Windows and, but now we just got, all these upgrade from a previous version, or erase and reinstall, or something else. Let's just click on something else and see what happens. So this is where we can manage our hard drives. I don't know if you can see that. Resize partitions, choose multiple partitions. So we're going to click forward just to show you what that looks like. So it's scanning the disks, and it shows you right there. It's got 2 drives on there. Let's see if I can make this bigger. Oh, I can't. So, yeah, it's got 2 drives. It's got A and B. And they both have shit on them, so yeah. You can delete the partitions, and let's do that. Since we're going to do a complete reinstall, I'm going to delete this. Okay, bye-bye. Deleting that. And delete that. Delete that. Delete that. I deleted everything. So now I have 2, and really, those are actually 250 gigs. In Windows it always chops down a lot of the, it's not really 250, but here we got 2. So now we have, 2 unpartitioned drives. So let's go back. Erase, install, forward. And I want to install it into A. Select drive, A. That's the one I want. A or B? I'm going to say A. Use the entire disk. 2 partitions will be deleted. Okay, that sounds, I don't care. And install now. And there it goes. So, I live in Japan, so I'm going to click on here. Click, click, boink, boink, forward. Then I got to set up my keyboard. Keyboard layout, I'm going to just go to Japan. There you go, Japan. Let's say, fuck it, it's that one. Forward. And now I just have to wait for all these files to come. Oh, okay. My username. Alright. It's going to just tell me the... Alright, so then it's just going to install. Finish installing. Alright, there it goes. So it finished installing. Installation complete. Restart your computer in order to use it. Yay. Alright, restart now. Alright, go. Or go for restart. That's a slow song. There it goes. Now, last time I did this, it said take out the CD. As you can see right there. Enclosed tray, take it out. So, what we're going to need to do now is since I took out the CD, I'm going to have to change the boot order again in the BIOS to boot to hard drive, not to CD-ROM drive, right? So when it comes to that that screen again, I'm going to hit delete and do the change. Hit enter. Okay, there it goes. Gonna give me that. It's gonna give me, and then hit delete. Get ready, and delete, 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 delete. All right, there. It's gonna enter setup. Now I'm gonna change the boot order from CD-ROM drive to hard drive, and I'm gonna change it to hard drive. If I left it on CD-ROM drive, it wouldn't boot. It'd be looking for a CD. Well, I guess it could boot. It would boot to hard disk drive next. So, yeah. Well, let's just see what happens. I'm going to just leave it on CD. Second boot, hard disk. Okay. So let's exit. Save without, no changes. No. Yes. So I didn't make any changes. I left it on boot to CD. Now let's see what happens. There's no CD in there. Gives me my video card. It gives me this screen. Boot from CD. Didn't have a CD. So it would boot, next it would do a memory test or boot to one of these three things. And it says down there, it said down there that select one to boot to. Because I had hard drive selected as a second boot, it booted to that. So that was good. Now it's going to boot to the hard drive. So, because my graphics card isn't set up right, it's going to give me some funky shit, I think. I think I'm going to have to reinstall the graphics drivers, the driver for the graphics card, video card, whatever you want to call it. You're going to log in into, your username, and you're going to put in your password. I'm going to edit this all up on Adobe because I'm more familiar with that. And then first thing I'm going to do is try to update the thing, hopefully, and install the video driver for the graphics card. Now, I think if it's my graphics video card, graphics GPU, graphics processing unit, if that card, oh okay, it's already 3D accelerated. Alright, so I'm going to go over here and update my system. Went over there, and now I'm over here and update the shit. Update manager. And I got a whole shitload of things to update. Alright, I'm going to click that. Yes. Update install. Password. Alright, there's go. Oh, that's pretty fast. I don't know why that one's so fast. Faster than the other one. But anyway, that's going to install. And then I'm going to install OpenShot and take it from there. So, to get to this control center, you go over here to where your, like the power icon thing is way up here in the corner. Way up there in the corner. And then it says System Settings right down there at the very bottom. And you click the System Settings, and then you can get into this, and then you go to the Updater, Update Manager, and you click Update, and it's going to update all your systems. which is good. Alright, so now finish downloading all that stuff. Restart now. Okay, let's do it. Slap it on it. You know what? And I forgot to install the fucking driver for the video card. So I encrypted the home files, so you have to type in the terminal window, which I'll show you in a second here. You have to type in the password, or your password, and then it'll give you an unlock. Alright, well, let's restart. You get the thing up there. It says, if you want to run memory test, you have those options, but you have to do it quickly before the time runs out. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and you can do all that stuff. So it's going to boot to the Ubuntu. So I'll just get through that login thing again.